What's going on, internet? It's Zach back with Wrecker Central. Long time no see. Sorry about all that. We've been super busy. If you follow our Facebook page or go on our website, you'll see that we have a ton of orders we've been trying to fill. So we've had all hands on deck, working 10-hour days trying to get these filled. So I'm gonna give you guys a shop update just to tell you what we've got going on here in the shop. So let's go check in with Morgan first and see what he's up to.
I'm glowing, so they wanna.
All right, what's going on, Morgan? What are you working on over here?
I'm working on Big Chief crossbars for
Yes.
the main head. I made my cutout, assembled my pieces.
So this is where that wheel pad goes right here, and the tire's gonna roll up and just hold there when the flipper arm comes out.
Yes.
Perfect. All right, so I see you got the main piece on, and then you put what, diamond plate over that?
Yeah, the diamond plate will go over this piece right here.
Okay.
After it's welded in. These ones over here are already welded in.
Yeah, I see you started those I think this morning, and those are still a little warm. So this one's waiting on the diamond plate. That one's already got it. So cool. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, and then you hit this right here, right, with a big fat weld once that
This
diamond
will all
plate goes
get
on.
welded up.
Cool. Looks good, brother. All right, we're gonna go check in with Bob and Pat. I know they're doing a deconstruction on a truck that they just rolled in, so we'll go see what they're up to.
All right.
All right, Bob, so we just brought this guy in, right, because we're waiting on the pumps for that white Ford that was in here, right?
Yeah.
So you and Pat are getting started taking this thing apart.
Yeah.
What have you gotten done so far?
I've just got to pull it in, dry it out some, looking what we have to do. Took off the tonneau cover
Okay.
and get ready to go underneath and inspect and see about taking the bed off and the bumper and
Right, so we got to pull the bumper off, but you got all that electrical stuff right here.
yeah, it's
So-
all up underneath inside.
So we disconnect all that. I know you were talking to Dan like a couple minutes ago. There's a big fifth wheel attachment underneath this bed because it's a 3500 HD. So once we get the bed off, you're going to look at that and figure out what we got to possibly do to retrofit one of our frames up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, cool. I know you guys got a lot of work to do. Hopefully those pumps will get here soon. I don't know when. They told us they'd be here today, but they've also told us for the last 2 weeks they'd be here. So we'll see what happens. But I know you guys got a lot of work to do, so I'm going to let you guys get back at it. But have fun.
All right.
Going on, and I'm glowing, so they wanna. And I'm glowing.